Hi everyone, in this video, this is the SNTP video, how to use email word AI SNTP on email blastering. If you want to send more than 10,000 people message or 5,000 people message, what we are going to do in this video is how possible to send 5,000 people message using only one single IP. If you are going to do what I'm going to do in this video, your message going to spam shouldn't be your problem at all because most some will go spam and some will land on inbox. There's no way anyone can achieve 100% inbox. It doesn't matter any sender you're using. Even Amazon email addresses, email messages are still landing on spam reach today. Depends on the email account. All email accounts are not the same. Some can just accept email on spam, some can just land your message on inbox. So we shouldn't be worried about that. We should be worried about who we are sending message to, how we write message, and the person we sending message, are they qualified? And let's begin. Join me on my computer. Make sure you zoom this video if you're watching from TikTok. If you're watching from TikTok, click full screen here, or if you're watching from any other platform, just zoom this video and join me on my computer. Okay guys, let me take you step by step how to use our SMTP. When you open email word AI, this is the main dashboard because this application can script you lead, can validate the lead, and has email blaster that can you can set your SMTP, compose your message with AI, or you can write your normal message or HTML, hide your link, add your attachment, and more. All this is what I'm going to take you step by step today, how to use it. We also have a sending option here, which is still blank. So first thing we need to do is to set up our SMTP. But before that, I have a SMTP already that I have added, and I want to do test run to see if the SMTP is still active or still working. Before I delete, I can click here to remove it if it's dead. So to do that, I'm going to go to compose message. I'll just say hello. Just I want to do test run hello on subject line, and now I'll go to sending option. I would like to import my lead from my computer here. I'm going to go home. This is my test running lead. I think this is it. My email for test running. Now click OK. I have loaded it. It's the same email but I used to do test run to see if the SNTP is still active, or I should delete it to configure from scratch, which we are going to do. But what I'm teaching you right now is before you send out email, do test run with your a single account that you load multiple times like this on a notepad. All of them should be on new line. So what I have to do now is just click send, and you can see the SMTP is still active because I'm seeing successful here. So they're all active. So as the application is sending, let me take you to our notepad, what we have today. Let me expand this. We are going to be sending out test run. That is how to test run my test run email. That is what is going on the application now. And here we have 4,000 email that we are going to use on this video to see if you can send 4,000 people message successfully on a single IP, SMTP IP. And here is the SMTP credential. You can see here that we have the VPS is the SMTP name. You can see the VPS here, and this is the IP4. It's a single IP, but this one is a IPv4. Now, this is the address. This is the IP address, main IP address, and IP6. This is the backup IP. Each of our SMTP come with these things. Mean you still have access to root server. You can see the root server. Root server username is root, and use root server password is this. So mean you can still use it for anything you want. And here you also have the host. You see the SMTP itself domain, because this IP here, we have to do revise DNS to match this domain so that it can deliver, the SMTP can deliver to all inbox. Office 365, Gmail, any other platforms. And you can see the port, admin, you can see the password and email. So I'm so sorry if I close or hide anything here. Is a personal information, is my SNTP. So I will not mind, I will not like to expose the password and others. And here you can see how we run the PowerPoint to see if the PowerPoint is running before we even start. So this is what we are going to be configuring on the email word AI. So, but let's check to see if our tests running have finished, and you can see here 100% successful, and you can see all of them here 100 the time the email deliver. So we have to check our inbox to see if this come to our inbox. I'm going to open my inbox. One thing I forget to show you here is in the license information, you can add reply to. After you send email using SMTP, if those people want to reply you, their email is going to come to any email addresses you add on this reply to. And let's check my inbox. I'm going to open the Gmail that I load on this. I load, this is the emails here. Our test running is only one email, but this here is 20. I repeat the same email 20 times. So here is my inbox. You see here we have 20 times. The email come 20 times. You can see hello, 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 hello. So what will happen when I want to reply this message? Let me also say hello and reply the message back. This message is going to reply to my reply to email. Let me show you. This email here is where we receive this reply, not on the SNTP uh, email, because I don't have access. The SNTP don't have inbox. It's just for sending purpose. So let me check the my reply to. You can see how my hello come here. So you can see it here. You can see it. So you can see who sent me message here. You can see that info send me message. That is the reply to this reply to email here is the email I add as my reply to. Now, let's configure our SNTP and start sending 4,000 people message. Like I said in intro of this video, if you are going to do what I'm about to do right now, your email going to spam shouldn't be your problem. Don't worry, I will also show you how to purchase this SNTP in the same video. But let's go to email blaster. I'm going to clear everything. I've cleared. Now I'm heading back to SMTP. I'm going to remove this particular one we use for this test running now. I'm going to remove it. I have removed it so that we start from scratch by configuring our SMTP. So when you buy SMTP on our SMTP shop, which I'm going to show you in this video. So this is how the SMTP look like I said. So to configure the SMTP, all you need is this port here. Take the host, take the host here, go back to email word AI, and this is the host, paste it on the host. Now, the port, because we are using root server, so this should be 2525. But if you are using external SNTP, let's say in case that you are not buying from us, make sure you know your root port, because if you don't know this port, you are going to always receive fed. So let's paste our port 2525. Then we go back and copy our username. Username is admin. Copy username is admin and paste it on username. Now we are going to get our password. I'm sorry that I'm hiding this password because it's a personal and I don't want it to go public. Thousands of people can watch the video and go to attempt to use it while it's my property, so I'm keeping it same. Now, email from, go back to the file. This file is file you download after you purchase from our SNTP store. So this is the email. Just copy the email from, that's the SNTP email from, This SMTP email from, you can always change this to any name you like. If you don't like mail at your domain, you can always change it to anything and it's going to work. Maybe have been doing custom, but just keep it at default. I like it being at default. Another thing is the sending name. The name the recipient is going to see who sent them message. I'm just going to do email word. Let me just do email word testing. um, These 4,000 people I'm going to send message, you're going to see that this is email word testing, send a message, meaning they are not going to bother to reply me back because it's a testing message, because it's for demo. So now I have done. Don't forget security type. If you are not using root server, if you're not using IP SMTP, just check SSL. If SSL did not work, check TLS. If TLS did not work, just keep it as none because our own is none. So I'm going to do test connection to see if this SMTP is active. And you can see here is active. So what I'm going to do is just click OK. And now I click OK. Let me check if our video is recording. Okay, we are good to go. So now I click OK. I have to click Add SMTP, and the SMTP automatically added here. You can see the SMTP have added here. We are now good to go to use it to send message. Like I said, loading the credential here is the credential you get after you purchase your SMTP is not hard. So now we have configured our SMTP and it is working fine. You can always click test once it's successful, you know that it's working. Let me show you if it's not successful. Let's say I use SSL. I have choose SSL. If I click test, you can see here that the server is detecting error. And if I use TLS and click test, you can see another error again and warning message. But if I choose none and test it, it's going to tell me successful because it's a root access. So now we have configured our SMTP. Let's go to compose message composer. In message composer, AI can help you write message by giving the AI prompt of what you want. Or if you have your message, you can always write your message here or even compose your HTML or paste your HTML here. But if you want to use AI to write message, this here is where you write your prompt. Hey, let's help you send unlimited, let me put unlimited email for B2B. That's a website for B2B. We help you. What I'm doing here is just some random thing. Given the AI prompt, we help you get more clients, and make more money. So now that I do this, all I have to do is click generate AI, the content. Just click generate content with AI. So ChatGPT is going to write you the message. We integrate it on the application, and you can see it here. You can also go ahead and edit it if you don't like. You can always edit it or take it to Notepad to study it, and you can see it here clear. You can see it here. And if it's HTML, you're going to see the HTML, how it look like on the preview. So now we have there, we is calling them by name. What if you don't like it? Like I always say, you always rewrite it. The subject line, what we are going to do is take the subject line here. I'm going to do cut out. I've cut it out. And now I have to paste it on my subject and remove the subject in the front. Yes. So now we have composed our message under a minute. This place is telling us to replace our website URL. You can always add your URL. If you want to hide link, you can just select the number or anything the word you would like to hide your link. Let's say I want to hide this video link on this position. I will click my link and add the link and click OK. So you can see how it's automatically write as HTML, and here you can see that the link hide there is a clickable link. When I click it, it's going to open. You can see how it's open here in the same application and the same preview message. So when you hide your link, always test it to see if the link is going to work. I hide a Canva link and it will work. So if I don't like it, I can always delete it. So now I'm going to just remove the link. Yeah, maybe your goal. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, I can't do this. Okay. Now, if you want to underline, you can always highlight anything. You can do this and do underline, and you can underline the word. You can see here, achieve your goals here. You can see how it's underlined. If you want it bold, you can always click it. If you highlight again, anyone you highlight about, you can make it bold, and you can see it here. It's open with bold. So I'm wasting time here, but I'm just kind of teaching you what is possible here. The tags, leave the tag as it is because the tag work on the email we have on our sending option. So when I click this tag, mean I'm telling the system to use this option below here, which this option below here is in the sending option, is where you load your emails that you want to send message to. So I mean we can say upload our email from verification or from verification, or we can upload our email from our computer. If you click upload from computer, let me show you how this work. I'm going to upload my email first on the email verification, the same email test running email. I'm going to do email for test running, my test running smtp. Where is the email? My lists, my domain lists, and my main testimonial. So I think is this. I have to click it. You can see 20 email added here. From here, after verifying, you can see I verify it and get 20 out of 20 because it's the all email. So good. So now that I have verified the email and get 20 valid email, I can also click here to send to Blaster. When I click here, I choose only valid email, only, and send OK. I've sent 20 email to Blaster. When I go to Blaster here, you can see the 20 email come here automatic. If you don't like to, if you are sending from your computer, just clean this and click load lead. And now we have to find our email from our computer. So now we are going to use our 4000 email. This is it here. This is the 4000 lead. This is it. Here you can see 4000 lead. So let me show you that this lead is up to 4000. I've uploaded it on my this thing, on my light extractor here. This is the light extractor. So here you can see if I change this to commerce and extract, you can see all the leads here, and you can see how many in total. Let me take it back to no line because our sender accept only no line, and I'll position all of them in no line, and I can control A. Now I have to take the email back to the here. If I can replace, I can also do Control A and delete everything and paste it back and always click save. Now I have my email to send message to. I have to upload this email 4K top position in the companies on my sender. And now I have to click upload file. I know I'm wasting time and I have to because you have to learn how this work. And let's find our file here. Go back. You can see. Let me find it. This is it. This is the file here. Top positions in the company. Open it. Select it and click open. And you can see click open. Okay. And you can see all the emails here. All the emails they are here. So now I'm going to teach you another thing about SNTP rotation is when you load two SNTP or four SNTP in this role, then you can rotate all of them in sending email and you can specify how many email each SNTP will send before rotating to second SMTP. That is what this means. That's what this means. Each, if you keep it 100, you test system, each SNTP should send 100 message and rotate to second SNTP. But because we have one SNTP on this video, maybe next video I'm going to use multiple SNTP so that you see how this will work perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to uncheck this. If you're using one SNTP, leave it at default. Okay, here is a send 60 email per a minute, or you can switch per hour. You are telling the system to send only 60 email per every hour. But if you want every minute, you switch it back to every minute. What if you want to go 1000 email per a minute? I told you in starting this video, if you are going to do what I'm going to do in this video by sending mass email, you shouldn't worry about your message going to spam. Some will land on spam, some will go to inbox. Once you write good message and have good email addresses, people you are contacting, you're always going to get result. So I'm going to do like 1000 per a minute. Even if you add it, somehow our system find a way to drop message every second. Every second, the message will take it bam, bam on your behalf. So let's say I do 1000 per a minute. Let me switch back per a minute. That's all I have to do now. And I have to also remember, make sure you remember to always add your reply to before you send any email. Make sure you add reply to. This position is where you add reply to inbox where you want your recipient to respond to you when they see your message on their inbox. When they click reply, their message will come to any email address you add here. Click save. Okay, now we are good to go to send message out. You can see we go come back to sending option. And when you click, let's go back to scraping. When you click email blaster, we have four options, important options here. First is setting SMTP and composing message and sending option. That is the final go. And logs is where you see all your logs. If your server start failing, you are going to notice from your logs here. So let's go back to sending option and click start sending. And you can see here, our extractor have start sending message. And this one is sending, each second is dropping one message. Each second is dropping one message because we set 1000 per a minute. So it's going to make sure that it maintain it to send 1000 people message per every minute. Is going to reach up to 1000 people. As this SMTP is sending message, I'm not going to interrupt it. I'm not going to stop until it send this 4000 people we loaded here message complete and we will see it. So stay with me. Now, how can you purchase SMTP for the first place? We make it easy for you. You are not leaving the application. Head over to purchase SNTP. So when you purchase the SNTP, we always deliver the SNTP in this form, in TST form, like this. All the details is coming: domain name, IP, login root server, login. So you can also log in your server if you know how to run command, if you know how to reset or make it more better for yourself, or if you want to use it in another purpose, you still have your domain, your server to log in. So, and let's go back to the application. Now, if you click, let me go back to Blaster. can see still going, so all of them is going successful. So now, if you click buy purchase SMTP here, you are going to see open SMTP store. This is going to refer you to email world website. Don't worry, just open it and you're going to see unlimited store. You can see the one we are using in this video is this particular single IP. That is the IP4, is a single IP SMTP. This is the type we are using here. All the SMTP in this store, they all serve unlimited purpose, but killing the SMTP is in your hand. If you are doing what I'm doing in this video, it's likely that you can kill your SMTP anytime, but the SMTP have 1 year live access, and also the domain have the IP and the domain have 1 year subscription fee. So mean if you use it wisely, this will last for 1 year. But if you're trying to reach 10,000, 20,000 people every day, they can die at any time. And when they die, you come back and purchase new one. How much is the SNTP? Just $100 for single SNTP. To buy the SNTP, we accept all form of currency. Just click buy now. So what is going to happen here is it's going to refer you back to checkout page on solobranding.com. That is our payment gateway, our marketplace. Now you can see the options you have here for your regular $100. You can see, don't worry about this here. Don't worry about it. Is the support we get. We always give support. When you click buy now, so and I'm going to check out. Okay, you can see what we have here. You can pay with OPay here for Nigeria payments OPay. You can pay with USDT Traris C20. You can pay with Ghana Momo, mobile money Momo for Ghana. You can pay with Nigeria bank transfer. You can pay with Bitcoin. So, from Nigeria, you can choose Nigeria bank transfer or popular known OPay. If I'm going to use the OPay, I have to click pay check out, but they're telling me to use add email. You have to add your emails here, fresh email. Let me get email. I'm going to use the same my reply to email. Let me use it because we are going to check out and get our SNTP here. So let's go back here. Now I have to add my email and the password. You always choose your password. Remember your password because this is account. You can log in your dashboard anytime to check your account. You can log in your dashboard every time. So here you can see the money, the price is now $112. This $12 is VAT and processing fee. Processing fee is $2 and VAT is $10. So because it's your business, so all you have to do when you add your email and password is click check out. Okay, and see, make sure you can really save your password on your computer to remember every time. I'm going to click save, and I can't afford to lose my password. Now you can see what is happening here is OPay. We pop up there our details, payment details here, and you can see our bank name, OPay, bank account name, and account details. So go ahead and make payment and take your screenshot. When you take your screenshot, go ahead and upload your screenshot by clicking browse. You can see here, please upload your payment screenshot after your payment. Because this is a demo, I can always use any from, let me try to use any payment. I've uploaded any payment and click pay. Make sure you upload your payment screenshot for review. Okay, we review it and approve. Then I'm going to submit, make as payment. Can just pay now. And you can see Your order have successfully submitted and admin will confirm your transaction and approve the purchase. So, if your payment is legal and accurate, once it's open, this will take you between 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So, what you have to do is go to your profile and locate your purchase, click it. And here you can see the SMTP have arrived on our purchase. So he can now click download item by here. You can see I'm downloading the file, the SMTP credential. You can see it here. And when you open the notepad, this is how it's going to look like. So if there's anything in this notepad, make sure you read. If there's any delay, we are going to see the information, read the information and follows. And let me help you out again. When you purchase and you are experiencing delay to get your SNTP down, make sure you click this group chat here. Click group chat, and this will take you to our Telegram group. You can see this will take you to our Telegram group or channel. Here you can submit your payment or you can write anything. I need help. Then admin is going to respond to you. And then from that, admin is going to send you, admin can send you private message making sure you get good help. So that is how it work. You can see all the users here. In this place, we also have group. You can also ask to join group. Once you are a community member, you can also join our group. You can see our users here. You can see our users this area. So let's go back to our SMTP to see what is happening on. Go to Blaster. And this place, you can see that SNTP keep going, it keep going, SNTP keep going here. You can see it's keep going. So I will pause this video and come back whenever the application stop sending message because we still have 80% is given the application give you percent how many email you have sent out. Here you can see we have sent out in total of 326 email out of 4,000. So if you have anywhere you want to go, you can load this and leave your system and just go do your thing. And the system is going to be dropping those email every second. So no matter what you set here, you remember I said 1,000 per a minute, but to maintain the balance to avoid you being a spammer or to kill your SMTP fast, the application is going to be sending your message every second. Once you want to send more than that in a second, if you want to send more than 10 email in a second, I think the solution is just to keep this at as blank, do not add anything. Then when you click send, the SMTP is going to flash message to everyone on the list. But it's not good because all your message can wipe on spam and you will end up not getting reply. So this video is to teach you how to use SMTP. What we have do here so far is you can verify your email addresses and send it to Blaster. You can also script lead here, can see this place. You can script your email lead. This video is not how to script lead, it's how to send message. You can verify, you can blaster, you can get API, you can add your reply to, you can contact us. If you also buy SNTP and is delaying to deliver, you can see contact us here on Telegram. This is admin contact. When you click it, it's going to take you to admin direct. Then you DM admin with your payment receipt and your problem. So admin is going to help you on the Telegram only, not on WhatsApp. Now you here you can see get free scraping key. I have do video how to do that. The video is just for SNTP. Purchase SNTP, open SNTP store. That is a place you buy SNTP. After that, you come back to the application, go to email blaster and head over to SNTP setting and configure your SNTP. Then that is all you need. Can see compose your message. HTML is allowed. Hiding link is okay. Normal text message is okay. On this, I think I have to pause this video and try to get HTML on to work on this. Okay, I will not do that because we're still using this tag here, this email here to send message. I will not interrupt that because we're still sending, go to our message here. You can see it's still going successful. When it start failing, you are going to see all be failing instead of successful. That is how it work. And the logs, you can see our logs also. You can see the server itself is it's accepting those emails. Any fails is going to you're going to see them here. So when your SMTP start failing, you can always copy these logs here, can copy them and send it to admin here for admin to review and tell you the problem. So, and I hope you understand this video. I'm going to do short vision of this how to send message. TikTok video is so short and we don't teach something like this on TikTok. We just give you flashy stuff because we also want to go viral. This is long video, 30 minutes teach learning how to use SMTP, get SMTP. It's kind of a lesson video and I'm happy that you are here. So in next video, you're going to see how to hunt API key free for scraping. You can get unlimited API key for scraping. I know you're going to love that one. So see you.